Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a channel for all post-production and Final Cut Pro. If you want to enhance your post-production skills, this is the channel, so consider subscribing and let's get right into the video. So today we'll be going over a weather change effect in Final Cut Pro. And one hint I would want to give you before you start this effect is to have trees around or a lot of green grass around, so this effect will work. Now, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to our effects tab and we are going to go to keying. So we're gonna drop this keyer effect on the clip, and after we do that, we're going to go to color selection right here. We're gonna hit this arrow right here. And when we do that, we're going to add a keyframe right here. Before we add the keyframe, make sure your playhead is in the beginning of the timeline before you add your keyframe. So once you know your playhead's in the beginning, you press the keyframe right here. And then you want to go all the way to the end right here. And we're going to take this and we're just going to drag this to wherever we please. We can go all the way back. I'm just gonna go to right here. And as we play this back, this is how it's gonna look. That's how it's gonna look. Now, to spice this effect up even more, this is what we're going to do. We are going to add a adjustment layer. So we're going to go to our titles. If you don't have an adjustment layer, you can find an adjustment layer online somewhere for free. You could just type in free adjustment layer for Final Cut Pro, and I'll be sure that you can find one online somewhere. But as you add that, we want to add that right about here. And we are going to add an earthquake effect to the adjustment layer. So you can just type that into the effects, earthquake. Turn the layers down if you want, but let's just see how this looks. Looks pretty good so far. And we're gonna add one more thing to make this clip pop. So we're gonna type in zoom. It's gonna be the zoom blur. And we're gonna drag this on our adjustment layer as well. And on the zoom tab, we are going to click this little icon right here. And we're gonna add a shape mask right here. And we just wanna adjust it to our liking. I'm just gonna put it about right here. Open this up a bit. And I am going to invert this mask right here. So you go to that tab again, that little icon again, and press invert mask. And as we do that, we can see our scene looking more realistic. So as we go to the beginning of the clip, we can see how drastic the weather changes. And for the finishing touches, we can add sound effects and we can do some thunder and lightning, which is already built into Final Cut Pro. Just go to this icon right here and go to sound effects and type in thunder. And it's right there. You can just line it up. And that looks really, really good. I want to thank you guys for watching another tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you learned anything in this tutorial, consider liking and consider subscribing, because we will be dropping a lot of content just like this very soon. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.